Hi, what happens when you mix milk with Coca-Cola? Open up a 20 fluid ounce bottle of Coke. Measure out and take 4 tablespoons of milk from the refrigerator and just pour it simply directly into the bottle of Coke. Put the lid back on. You don't have to shake it or anything. Just let that sit overnight until the next morning, or maybe sit for a whole day. This is a very slow experiment. I mean, it works pretty much at a snail's pace. Eventually, the milk will dissolve the Coke. You'll see Coke residue at the bottom. It'll be kind of a hazy brown in the middle and getting clear at the top. Now eventually the whole thing will turn clear, except for the very bottom, which will be a dark black brownish color, which is the Coke residue. What I like to do to make it more easily visible is to just peel off the Coke label. That way it gives you better visibility to the whole process. Now the next day after you do this, you'll notice the change. As you can see, it's still kind of brownish, but it's turning clear, especially up at the top. And the Coke residue is at the very bottom. Why does milk do this? If you have any comments, please leave them below. Enjoy trying out this experiment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.